Hi everyone, Devin here, and I'm excited to show you best practices. Now, building blocks are at the core of what Savviest does. These are your work experience, education, skills, awards, and cover letter paragraphs that sum up you as a professional and that give Savviest the power to do some really amazing things. The information in your building blocks goes into job recommendations, understanding and contextualizing certain jobs so that you understand how strong of an applicant you are, and of course, to writing custom tailored resumes and cover letters. And because they're so important, we wanted to give you even more power and even more understanding as you created your building blocks to make sure you're the strongest and most successful applicant possible through every step of this process. So now when you're in your building blocks, click on Add Work Experience or a different ad for education, skills, and awards, and you'll see this new building block experience. Now, what's important here is this information over on the right. And you can see there's a What is this about section that describes sort of generally what you're doing, and then tips and tricks, which give you detailed feedback and insight into how to write this information and create building blocks that are going to make you the most successful applicant possible down the road. And what's really special here is that this is all dynamic and contextual to the field that you're working in. So as you go through and add your information, say company or organization name, job titles, start dates and end dates, be sure to check out the What is this about and tips and tricks section to learn custom tips and tricks for each piece of information that you add. And so then as you go through and add your accomplishment statements, which are by far the most important part of your building blocks, read through these and become an expert at how to add this information. And this is great not just in Savviest, of course, but this will translate through the rest of your career. Anytime you're writing professionally about yourself or creating resumes or cover letters down the road, the tips and tricks and what is this about here is going to help guide you through that process at every step in your career. And of course, this is available not just for work, but for education and skills and awards and cover letter paragraphs as well. As you add this information, skills, awards, honors, publications, we give you contextual and important tips and tricks to help you be even more successful.